Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Best Buy Worksheets. So this video gives a few slides where we can practice doing some exercises to work out the best buy, because sometimes we go to the supermarket and we can see different amounts of the same product for different prices, so we will have to work out which is the better value for money. Now, if you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a link and it takes you to the lesson, and that will explain how to do each of these examples. So just click on that link, watch the lesson for 5 or 6 minutes, and it'll explain how to do all these examples. So very quickly, let's have a look at the first example. Which of the following gives you better value for money? So we have 5 kilograms of sugar for $12.30 or 2 kilograms of sugar for $5. So basically what you have to do is find out for this first one, 5 kilograms of sugar for $12.30, how much is the cost for 1 kilogram. So you note that amount. Then for the second one, you do exactly the same thing. You work out what is the cost for 1 kilogram of sugar, and that way you can make a perfect comparison and find out which is the better value for money. So it's exactly the same for those first 5. You have to, in each case, work out the cost for 1 unit, whether it be kilograms or whatever it is. Okay, now for the next 5, it's exactly the same. 8 kilograms of peas for $18.80 or 3 kilograms of peas for $7.20. Okay, so just find the cost of 1 kilogram. That way you can make a perfect comparison. Let's look at the next slide. Now it's exactly the same principle. We have 2 different choices for each. Do the appropriate division. Work out the cost for 1 kilogram for each of the products, and that way you can make a comparison. And it's exactly the same. So all the examples follow the same principle, which will allow you to work out the best buy. Now, as I said earlier, if you're not sure what to do, just go to the next slide, click on the link, and that will explain how to do all the examples. So this video has presented a few slides where we can practice working out which is the best buy when we're given the price of 2 different prices for the same product. And we've seen, or I've explained the procedure, and that's how we go about it.